Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. And today we want to look at some MEP. We had questions about conduit and cable tray, which works pretty much the same in Revit. We're going to Revit 2023 here, and let's get started. So I'm looking at this file from one of my old assignments. I think it's from the Accent 2016 Accent model here I'm using. So I'm throw them a little credit there. So here, what you want to do is go into our Systems tab. And you want to go to the electrical panel here and select this little arrow. Okay, now what opens up is our electrical settings. And within our electrical settings, we can set certain things here, but what I'm focusing on here is our angles. So here, these are all the angles that we have to our exposure here. Now, with this exercise, we're going to use specific angles. So we can set our own, and I just want to use 30, 45, and 60, which is pretty standard in the industry. Then I'm going to click OK here. Now I'm in my lighting plan here, and I'm going to zoom into this room here. And then I'm going to click on the Systems panel. I'm going to select Conduit. And then here in my type selector, or my properties, this gives the type of conduit we want to use that's available to us, or we can go grab more. So here, I'm going to select rigid non-metallic schedule 40. That's what I want. Now here we have the diameter. We can set the different diameters and the elevation. So in this case, it's going to be 9.6. This is our options bar if we want to make those specific settings. So now what I want to do, I want to go into my plan drawing, and I just place my conduit. But for here, I'm going to just put it right there. Because we're going to this panel LP1, so I'm going to just place it right above. Actually, now what happened is I'm putting me into this view. And for now, I'm going to just say finish and just accept that. So now I can drag this all the way across. Say right there. Then we can have another one here. Actually all the way here. So basically this is the conduit that's distributing electricity or wires and cables through our building here. I'm going to place one here. I'm going to go all the way to here. And so man, let's see what we got. So in these cases here, we're going to have a series of conduit and cable tray going pretty much everywhere. There's our junction box. So again, then you might want to have something right here. But from this point, we have all of our conduit. And let's go look at this guy in our section view here. Because I can add multiple conduit. Okay. I'm going to double click that. Okay. don't see that. Oh, there it is, right here. So let's do this in fine view. So there's our conduit we just placed in here, in this section view. So we'll go back to our lighting plan. So basically, those are the basics. What I want to show you here. Now let's see if we can throw some cable tray in here. Okay, it's not a good view for cable tray. So in this video, we'll focus on the conduit. So you gotta have a conduit coming from here all the way down. Oh, that's from the cable tray. Don't want that. Like I said, we'll do cable tray next. So we're gonna go to systems, conduit. And we'll just drop one here. So that's basically it. It's nothing really special to placing conduit. I just wanted to show you this, how this kind of works. You can just go here. Now if I go into this view here, I can go add another one here. I can go say conduit again. And there's basically the bottom of the conduit. So I'm going to push this over. Because we got a conduit there now. So let's go push this over 110. That's too much. Okay, so kind of goof that off here. Cancel that. Want to go again, conduit. Going to snap me into that view. So we're going to push this down here, 1/6, just to be conservative here. Okay, so there's our other. We'll finish that. So we have another conduit coming through here. You can go this way, or wherever the equipment goes and where you need to be. That's basically it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you this quick video on how you place conduit in Revit. So thanks again, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, be safe y'all.